Hello, guys. Hello, friends. Okay, let's talk about the most valuable penny, year 2000D and year 2003. I have only here a year 2000D. I don't have a year 2000 no mint mark Lincoln penny, but I have some information about the said coins. Okay? Let's start to 2000D, the most valuable 2000D. Okay? Here we go. The most valuable year 2000D penny ever sold in a public auction was graded MS69 RD by Professional Coin Grading Service, the PCGS, for a whopping $2,415. That is for year 2000D Lincoln penny. And next, the year 2000 no mint mark. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2000 Lincoln penny without a mint mark was graded MS69 RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and sold for $3,220 in 2008. Wow. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.